Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial video on how a new member can register and buy the SCALPro Trading Robot. It's unique, simple, and user-friendly, and anyone anywhere can get started with this amazing system today. At SCALPro, it's affiliate-based, which means you need already registered members links to get yourself started. The moment you click on that link, it opens a new members registration form. As you can see on my screen, kindly complete the form with your correct information, such as your desired username, name, email, and your desired password. Then click on the Sign Up button to complete your registration, and you are instantly sent your verification email. Simply log in to your email and click on the mail to get your account verified in seconds. With this, you now have your dashboard to enable you to get started with all your trading activities, such as purchasing your desired robot based on your trading capital, withdrawals, genealogy views, statement of accounts, and more. To buy your trading robots, simply navigate to the Buy Robot or click on Pick Robot. Then, a new page opens with the various trading robot package as well as their trading amount. This subscription fee covers you for a period of 30 days. Choose anyone that best suits your trading account balance and click on the Purchase button. The payment instruction page appears, as seen on my screen. Here you will be giving the company's wallet's address where the subscription fee will be sent, and the exact amount should be transferred into the account. Once this payment is completed, upload the screenshot by clicking on the Pick Payment Evidence menu, as seen on my screen. Finally, complete the simple transaction form below by correctly filling the MetaTrader type MT4 or MT5 investor login ID, MT4 or MT5 investor login password. Then click the Submit button to complete this process. Upon submission, you will get a notification that your trading bot will be set up shortly, and you will receive an email notification upon activation of the SCALPro Trading Robot. Thank you for watching this short tutorial video on how to activate your trading robots at SCALPro. See you in my other tutorial videos.